up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fun tap routine to teach you. It's right around that intermediate level. Remember, you can always speed it up, slow it down, do it to your favorite song, and even do it a cappella if you want to. So let's watch a quick preview and let's go ahead and get started. Shuffle, ball change. We're going to stomp forward. Stomp, step, so only put that toe on the ground. Shuffle, ball change. From there, we're going to Shirley Temple to the side. Lap, heel, heel, spank, heel. We're going to toe in front instead of in back. Toe, heel. So, once again, this is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and that'll look like this facing the back. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And a little faster. Alright, from there, we're going to do a maxi forward, and that toe's going to go behind. I'm going to do a maxi forward with a pickup. So step, shuffle, pickup, toe. If you want to just do a regular maxi forward, it would be step, shuffle, leap, toe. Whichever version you would like to do. So once again, this is 1 and 2. From here, we're going to scuff that foot, 3 and 4. And we're going to transfer the weight onto that outside foot. From there, we're going to scuff, heel, heel, toe. We're going to drag it again, drag, heel, step. Once again, that second count of 8, we just did our Shirley Temple. We're going to do our maxi forward. 1 and 2. From there, we're going to drag it. 3 and 4. Transfer that weight. Scuff, heel, heel, toe, drag, heel, toe. And that count of 8 facing the back. Those 2 counts of 8 together, it'll look like this. And facing the back. We're going to go right, left, pause. Then we're going to do that again and go left, right, chug, chug. Counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and chug, chug, 7, 8. From there, we're going to step our feet together. 1, 2, we're going to ball change out, and 3. We're going to bring it in on 4. We're going to do 2 hop shuffle steps. Starting with that left foot, 5 and 6, 7 and 9. So those 2 counts of 8 will look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and chug, chug, step, step, in, hop, shuffle, step, hop, shuffle, step. And those 2 counts of 8 facing the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and chug, chug, step, step, and piecing that all together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. And facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Moving on from there, we're gonna go shuffle, heel, flap, heel. Other foot, same thing. Shuffle, heel, flap, heel. We're gonna do one more. Shuffle, heel, flap, heel. Now we're gonna do two more flap heels. Flap, heel, flap, heel. Your counts are and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. And that should be traveling forward. A little faster, it'll sound like this. And to finish off our choreography, we're going to do 3 paradiddles, 1 forward, 2 to the side, and a toe, heel, scuff. Counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So those last 2 counts of 8 will sound like this together. Facing the back, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and a 7 and 8. Alright, let's now go ahead and piece together all this choreography nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and slow, facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Before we try it with that music. 5, 6, 7, 8. And sped up facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, everyone, it is now time to piece this choreography together with the music. Good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that tap combo. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.